This electric cable hoist from Bannon helps you easily and safely lift loads that weigh up to 790 pounds to a height of 125 feet. Use it anywhere for your toughest construction and warehouse jobs with the 360-degree saddle hook. Get strong and secure pulling power with the galvanized wire rope and an oversized hook with safety latch. Perform heavy lifting jobs without putting excess stress on the motor thanks to the 25% duty cycle. Instantly stop movement with the double ratchet Pawl design and automatically stop loads with the upper and lower limit arms. When the rope touches the limit arm, pulling is automatically stopped, and a sensing arm automatically stops the motor if the rope is underwound. Easily and safely lift heavy loads with this electric cable hoist from Bannon. Only at Northern Tool.